Good evening. Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Apple Watch. This is the Series 8 45mm model in product red. So it has the red aluminium case as well as the red sport band. This isn't my watch, but I got the pleasure of unboxing it. So let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the top of the box, Apple Watch in red. Nothing on the front, nothing on the back, nothing on the left, nothing on the right. And on the bottom of the box, description of the product, what's included inside the box. Right here is the importer's information, and you have the barcode, serial number and whatnot as well. So to gain access to the insides of this box, you pull the tabs right here. Flip it open, and we have two more boxes. Let's put this aside. Right here, product red. It is a very red inside. Okay, as for the boxes, here we have a picture of the watch itself. And again, a description of the watch itself with the barcode and serial number. To gain access to this box, you pull the tabs on either sides of it. Nothing in here, but right in here, designed by Apple in California. Product red leaflet. Okay, so here it tells you how to set the watch up. Put this aside. Apple Watch. How to set the watch up in this looks like Mandarin. Okay. And here we have a safety and handling guide. Further inside, we have the charger right here with the puck. And on the other end, we have a USB-C port. Okay, so here we have the watch itself, 45mm, if you can see it. Does feel quite similar to my Series 7 45mm, apart from the color. Okay, so let's put this aside. Get into the second box. Here we have a picture of the watch strap itself. And to get in here, we pull this. Nothing else inside, and before I put this down, tells you a description of the strap, or the band if you will, product red, and more information about the item. Okay, so here we have instruction information. Apple Watch. A guide on how to insert the strap or the band, if you will. And here we have the medium to large band, as well as the small to medium adapter. Okay, so let's take the strap out and put it on the watch itself. Okay, so here we have the watch, and okay. Alright, here's how it looks with the watch strap / band on the watch itself. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this Apple Watch Series 8 45mm in product red. Thanks for watching and goodbye.